Hey guys, we are back again with another room tour. Decided to do a quick staycation because it's Sunday, we live in Vegas, so why not? Because it was last minute and Vegas is at 100%, I was able to get a comp room, full comp. Again, if you don't have a Caesars Rewards card, sign up for one. This is a full comp. So the room is comp, there's no resort fees, means there's no taxes on anything. So it's free. So it was last minute. They are pretty full here, so we didn't get an upgrade like we normally do, but this is still a pretty nice room. This is an ultra hip, one king, non-smoking. And I gotta tell you, it's actually pretty nice. This is the entry here. This is me when I used to model, and this is the bathroom. Let's check it out. So the most noticeable difference between this and the next room up, which I believe is a resort room, is that this one has one counter, where the resort rooms, the bathroom is a little bit bigger. There's another counter like this on the opposite side. But you still get the tub. You still get the tub, you still get the stand-up shower, you still get the bath or the toilet that's in a separate room where you can close the door for some additional privacy. So all good stuff. I like the tubs here. They're pretty deep. And the showers are nice and spacious. Here, let me show you. So pretty decent. I mean, especially for what we're doing. It's just a quick one-nighter here. This is fine. And the rooms are actually still pretty decent size. So you still get your little table over here. I don't know if they call this a breakfast nook. Just a little table to sit down and watch some television. Nice big king bed, 4 pillows. You have your little chase lounge over here. Telephones and lights, plugs in the lamps here. You get USB plugs in here and your regular plugs. Carlos is a big fan of that. Big closet space with your ironing board. Safe, there's a 3-drawer chest in there as well. Flat screen, nice counter space there if you need to get any work done. And you guys notice this, right? So Planet Hollywood is one of the Caesars properties that you get a complimentary refrigerator. Nothing in it. You don't have to worry about taking stuff out to put your stuff in and getting charged for it like Caesars Palace. So that's always a bonus, and that's free also. Let's check out the view today, folks. The pool. They call it the scene. I call it the pool. Seen and be seen, something like that. But great pool. Looks like the bar is open again. The cafe is open. The pool bar is open over here. Can't wait to get down there. Well, guys, please give us a like. I mean, what's not to like? You're gonna hate on me because I'm in Vegas and you're not yet? We're bringing you all of Vegas. Subscribe to our channel. If there's anything that you want to see, comment below, like, subscribe. Let us know what you guys want to see in Vegas, and we'll do our best to bring it to you.